We have gathered here today to witness and celebrate the wedding of Tanya and Ryan, surrounded as we are by those we most love. Marriage is not about marrying the right partner. It is about being the right partner. Marriage is the promise of hope between two people who love each other sincerely, honor each other as individuals, and who wish to unite their lives and share the future together. Love is one of the few constants in the universe. Only love is capable of joining living beings by their deepest essence, uniting, completing, and fulfilling them. Let us turn our hearts and minds to the two before us who wish to bind their lives together in peace and in love, thus celebrating the beauty and joy of life. At this time, Tanya and Ryan would like to exchange their own personal vows to each other.
I still have this lovely story embedded into my memories. When we first started dating, I remember I ended up getting food poisoning and had to call in sick. When I texted you I was sick, you went out of your way to deliver groceries to me. I remember it being blue Powerade and some gummy worms. This is when I started to fall hard for you because when we've been dating only for a little bit and you were so nice to support me. At that time, I said to myself, damn, she the one. I love that you support me even in the hardest times for both of us. I promise to be supportive and loving husband towards you. I promise to motivate you even when you feel like life is taking a toll on you. I love you with all my heart. You're my best friend.
Ryan, I thank God that our paths crossed. I can't imagine my life without you. You make my days so much brighter. I can have the toughest day, but hearing your laugh reminds me that it's not all bad. When I look in your eyes, I see kindness. I see humility. I see that I can trust you fully, and I am reassured that I've chosen the perfect person to be by my side. Your hugs are the biggest comfort. I feel the safest in your arms. I can't wait to start our life together. You're the best partner, and I know together we can take on anything. I love you, and I promise to be the best version of myself for you. That's all.
You have declared before all of us that you will live together in marriage. You have made special promises to each other, which have been symbolized by the joining of hands, the taking of vows, and the giving and receiving of 2 rings. By the authority vested in me by the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Let me be the first to introduce to you to Ryan and Tanya Ramos.
The way you guys stayed together for so long and how you guys always stuck through the hardships, long distance relationships, busyness with school and work, full time, admirable. It was just beautiful. And Tanya, today you look absolutely amazing. You look beautiful in that dress. And when you came down the aisle, everything hit me that you and Ryan were officially married and you were finally becoming my sister. Of course, before all of that, I already considered you family, like all of us did.
Today, I'm really happy to be here to cheer her on as she celebrates having found her life partner. He's the acts of kindness type of guy. He does so many little things for my sister that I've noticed he just loves her so much.
I'm gonna need feedback on this dance that's coming up, because we're not very good.
Keep your expectations down.
We practice, but I'm gonna need feedback in the box by the cocktail hour. I'm gonna need feedback on that immediately, please.
I definitely just wish to see you both happy together forever. I hope that your love grows stronger and stronger each year and passing day.
I'm so thankful that we have this opportunity to share with family. We could have just eloped and not had a wedding at all, but we really wanted this moment to just have everyone here with us celebrating. So I'm so thankful that you all are here. I love you all so much.
I realize how fast time goes by, and it's just like, it goes by quick. Like, this whole wedding's going by quick. I really value, thank you for valuing your time to come here.